G'day everybody and welcome back to another episode of Craft by Tip. I know I've actually already done a short on this subject, but I figured that I'd do a not short, but short video on it, because shorts don't seem to reach as many people as they used to. But I think I've come up with the best storage solution and organization solution for drill bits. Because if you work in a workshop, I'm sure that you have this problem with drill bits or something similar to drill bits. You have too many different sizes, too many different types, and there is not enough customization in standard drill bit organization boxes and stuff like that. But whilst I was doing a little bit of reorganization of the shed, I came up with a solution. So here I have it, the random assortment of drill bits in a tough. No, this is what I want to avoid. This sucks, but I have a solution down here. Ta-da! Lego. It is perfect because it is customizable. I can expand this if I want to. It could take up the entire drawer if I need it to. If I need more space for any one particular size drill bit, I can expand that area. It's not particularly difficult to get drill bits out, even the little ones, nice and easy because they have these little blocks in behind them. I've also been using this magnet if one particular drill bit is particularly difficult to get out. So I get these little tabs, laser cut. I have a 4-hole and a 3-hole variant, and then I just stamp the numbers into them. Maybe this won't work for your drill bit collection, but maybe this will inspire you to try it with something else. The next one that I want to actually do is my taps and dies, because they come in a set, and I never take the full set out. There's no point in me having this massive grey box that takes up the entirety of the drawer. So I want to actually get another one and do it with my taps and dies as well. Or maybe I'll do something completely different. I don't know. But right now it seems like a really good idea and it seems to be working really well. If this helps you out, let me know. Otherwise, if you have any critiques or any thoughts, let me know as well. Anyway, just a short video for you guys. I hope you had a great weekend, and I will catch you all in the next one. In the meantime, do remember to stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers.